Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so somehow I missed out on this. Well, I know how I missed out on it because I've been in the hospital. But Joe put this post up. I can't remember if it was his Instagram or TikTok or whatever. But it, of course, was showing some products. They could be possible future spoilers, but we know the brand's coming. He does confirm that the brand will be in future boxes. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. So again, I'm still holding off on the comments until I can get all of this stuff caught up. And hopefully we'll be back to normal soon. So guys, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that time, you'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that? So let's go ahead and get that done. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness, and I do apologize for the background noise. Aki seems to be sharpening his claws on the wall, like I told him not to do, Aki. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So this is what Joe was showing. Again, I can't remember if it was posted on his Instagram or TikTok. It could have been on his Facebook as well. But he is showing some pharmacy beauty products that they sent to him. Now, of course, you see they sent him some honey. They sent him, I think that one thing is sparkling white tea. The beauty products is what I'm looking at. Again, these could be possible spoilers. Now, he does confirm in the video that Pharmacy Beauty will be in future boxes yet to come. He couldn't say which boxes and what products. So, it could be these. And then again, you know, Pharmacy's coming anyways. Pharmacy makes some really good stuff, I think. Part of the Honeymoon Glow collection is what they call it. So, the first one is the AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. And then the other one is the Honeymoon Glow Ultra Hydrating Face Oil. Now again, he does confirm in the video that Pharmacy Beauty will be in future boxes. Now, is it going to be these products? We don't know yet. That's not confirmed. But as soon as we find out, of course, I'm going to let you guys know. So let me know what you think about these items down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about Pharmacy Beauty. Have you tried them? Do you like their products? As soon as I see something else, I'll update you guys. Guys, if you would, double check, make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would, double check that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept the gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You could only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss out on none of my uploads. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And guys, I also wanted to add in here pretty soon, I'm going to have to admit myself back in the hospital. It's starting to bother me again. And I was waiting to see a heart specialist, and there was some other specialist that was coming in. I mean, I guess all my organs is out of whack. My kidney, my gallbladder, all that swollen and infected. And my heart rate, for some reason, beats at 40, is it 40 beats per minute, I believe, when it's supposed to be 60. And I also have some kind of fluids that they have to test for that's around my liver. I don't know what's going on in my body, guys. I need to get my butt in there, but I'm trying to get bills caught up and get food in the cabinets for my boys, because for some reason they only let one person in, and whoever it is that goes in, there's no switch outs. I mean, I know it's because of this virus, and I understand that they have to take every precaution, but the reason I left in the first place is I'm a single mom. I can't stay in the hospital. I mean, as bad as that sounds, I know. So if anybody is able or would like to help me and my family out, I do have a PayPal listed down below. It would help out for me to get some groceries up and get some bills caught up, just to make sure everything is all right here at the house, because I don't know how long they'll have me in there. And when I do go in there, I'm going to try to do as many spoilers as I can. And I just want to tell you guys I love y'all so much, and I'm just so grateful for y'all. Y'all keep me going. And I just love y'all to death. I really do. And I'm just hoping everything's okay, and you know, you think the worst when you're in situations like this. But I do want to tell you guys that I'm just so grateful to have y'all in my life. I mean, y'all are just the best. And be watching for more spoilers because I'm trying to keep my eye on them as close as I can. And I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one.